Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 77. So let us see exactly what it has been given. The preamble to our constitution includes justice, fraternity and equality of status. This is what exactly it constitutes of. The important philosophical works of the Mauryan school, that is Prajna Paramitra, is the one, the important philosophical works of the Mauryan school. Prajna Paramita. The tropical plants which need continuous high temperature are called microtherms. Please remember guys, what are the tropical plants that need continuous high temperature are called microtherms. The term roaring forties, a dangerous river of China. Check with the internet, you will find the roaring forties, that is a dangerous river of China. As you can see to the right side how exactly the preamble is the index of the constitution, how before it was there and original and the later it has been remade with the national emblem. The estuary is a broad channel where sea and river water mingle. Please remember guys, estuary is the one where the broad channel, the sea and the river water directly mingles. The important reason for revival of Panchayat Raj system in India, that is, it helps participation of democratic bodies at the grassroots level. So please guys remember, the important reason for revival of Panchayat Raj system in India, it helps the participation of democratic bodies at the grassroots level, means from the villages to the up to the state, whatever the up to the district level, everything, village, taluk, block, and next we have the district level. So that is what the importance of this Panchayat Raj system, which was taken from the 73rd amendment, and it was initially initiated in the Rajasthan and followed by the Andhra Pradesh. The Tamil writers of the period wrote the Ramayana, which is considered as a classic in Tamil, that is Kamban Ramayana. As you can see, he was the guy who had written the Ramayana in the Tamil also. So that is what Kamban Ramayana. Next we have Teesta forms a part of which major river system. So here whatever the Teesta is there, that is the part of Brahmaputra. We knew that Brahmaputra had been called, used to call in Tibet as a Sangpo. In the once it comes to India, it will be called as Brahmaputra. The soil that is hard to cultivate is red. So we knew that, which is very important, and it's a hard one, that is red soil. The phenomenon of mirage is because of total internal reflection. Please remember, whatever the phenomenon of mirage, that is because of the total internal reflection. The takeoff stage in an economy means steady growth begins. This is what exactly the takeoff stage. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given. Here as you can see how it has been segregated into the various playlists. Next we have the first Pala ruler to plunge into the tripartite struggle was Dharampala. Here we have to remember the first Pala ruler to plunge into the tripartite struggle. We knew that whatever tripartite war has taken place, that was taken place here between three people, Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakutas and many more. So here Dharampala was the one who is the first Pala ruler to plunge into the tripartite struggle. A non-metal that is good conductor of heat and electricity is graphite. This is what you have to remember. It is a non-metal that is a good conductor of heat and electricity, that is graphite. We knew that graphite is the allotrope of carbon. Next we have the study of time in relation to the earth's history is called geochronology. What exactly the geochronology is? The study of time in relation to the earth's history. Here as you can see to the right side how exactly the study of earth, age of rock and some other forms of known as geochronology. The branch of geology concerned with the dating of rock formations and geological events. This is what exactly we have to remember. Next we have to go through the next, whatever the study of the wind is related. We knew that whatever the study concerning to the wind, that is anemology is the one, that is the study of the wind, that is anemology. The first Mughal emperor to organize some sort of distress relief during the famines was Akbar. Please remember, he was the maiden Mughal emperor to organize some sort of distress relief during the time of famines. The Kalahari deserts is in Botswana. So as you can see, the desert of Kalahari, which is located in Botswana. The tools and weapons of Harappan civilization were mostly made of what? Copper and bronze. Please remember guys, whatever the tools and weapons of Harappan civilization, they are mostly made of what? Copper and bronze. The guardian of Akbar when he was young, that is Bairam Khan was the guardian during the time of when he was young. At the age of 13 he had become the king. During that time the Bairam Khan was the guardian. The 4 mattas in the 4 corners of India, Shankaracharya had built 4 mattas in the 4 corners of India. The beautiful temple at Tanjore built by Rajaraja the Great was dedicated to deity Shiva. So please remember, as you can see to the right side, how the temple built by the Rajaraja, which is located in the place that is Tanjore, that is the famous deity of Shiva. Jainism was divided into, we knew that, Shvetambara and Digambara. As you can see to the right side, Shvetambara means they will be wearing white clothes, and Digambara they will be wearing nothing. So this Jainism, it was divided into Shvetambara and Digambara. The most distinguished Hindi poet of Akbar's court, Abdur Rahim Khani Khan, is the most distinguished Hindi poet of Akbar's court. The pioneer in preaching Nirguna Bhakti in medieval India was Ramananda. So he was the pioneer in preaching the Nirguna Bhakti in medieval India. He is Ramananda. The Chaityas during the early phase of Buddhism, they were used for religious assemblies and prayers. So these are the Chaityas who will be monitoring the religious assemblies and prayers in the phase of Buddhism. The official language of Delhi Sultanate, we knew that they are the Persian language they have used by the Delhi Sultanate. Alauddin Khilji introduced the market reforms to maintain a large army economically. So as you can see, who had introduced the market reforms to maintain the large army economically, that is Alauddin Khilji. The title of Andhra Bhoja, it has been given to the Krishna Deva Raya, had been given as the title of Andhra Bhoja. The one was translated into Bengali by Krittivasa, that is Ramayana. Here whatever the one was translated into Bengali by Krittivasa, that is Ramayana. This is my mobile number guys, you can directly go through 7667302252 or call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys, have a good day, have a great life.